Hi. In this video, I want to explain the topic you are most curious. Please do not forget to write your thoughts about this video as a comment under the video. I would also be very happy if you like and share the video. Yes, you often ask, which pens do I use, in the messages you send and the comments you make. Actually, pen brands are not very important to me. You can use any fine line drawing pencil. What is important to me is the ergonomic structure and tip thickness of the pen. However, let me tell you the brands I use. This is a Unipin brand pen. This is an Artline brand pen. This is a Sakura Pigma Micron brand pen. There may be different brands in the country you live in. As I just said, the ergonomic structure of the pen and the thickness of the tip are more important to me. The nib thickness, that is, the number of each pen, is written on it. You can see this on both the body and cap of the pen. As you can see in these zentangle works, there are lines of different thicknesses. Additionally, some lines are painted black. The paper sizes I use are also different. For these reasons, using pencils of different thicknesses can make our job easier. By the way, let me also point out that if you are wondering about the papers, sketchbooks, and all zentangle materials I used, I explained them in detail in the video above. I recommend using pencils of 3 different thicknesses: fine tip, medium thickness, and thick tip pens. But if you want to use only one pencil, you can make all your drawings with a 0.4 or 0.5 pencil. 0.5 or 0.4. These two draw thicknesses close to each other. I generally prefer 0.5. You can do all of the works you see with this pen. If you want to use a second pen, you can choose 0.1 or 0.2 pen. This pencil is number 0.1. You can draw fine and small details with it. If you wish, you can use a 1.2 or 1.0 thickness pencil as the third pencil. It has a thick tip and you can color the areas that need to be filled more easily and quickly with this thick pencil. Another pen I use is a brush tip pen. It is also called a brush pen. You don't have to buy it, but it's useful for some drawing or painting. For example, I made the lines here with a brush pen. The patterns here were also drawn with this pencil. As a result, I mostly use 3 pencils numbered 0.2, 0.5, and 1.2. Sometimes I use a brush pen. Now, if you want, let me show you the pencils on paper. This is 0.1 pencil. Zero point two, 0.4, 0.5. One point two, and brush pen. Yes, these are the pens I use most. .5 is my first choice, 0.2 is my second choice, 1.2 is my third choice. Also a brush pen. I will end the video by showing where I used the pencils on the zentangle work. I made these lines with a 0.2 pen. I drew here, here, and the general outline of the pattern with a 0.5 pen. I coloured these black parts you see with 1.2 pencil. I also used a brush pen for such patterns. Yes, in this video, I answered the question you ask me most. I explained which pens I used. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write your thoughts in the comments. Goodbye. See you in new videos.